everyone. It's April Davis with April Davis Creations. Thank you for joining me today. Today is day number 7. Each day I come to you to share what's behind each door in the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar Kit. So today we're doing day number 7. I'm excited to share with you what's behind door number 7. So let's go ahead and open that up. See, I can move this up a little bit so you guys can see door number 7. And we have more dies. So let me pull this off so that I can share with you these dies. These dies look like postage stamp type dies. So we've got a square, a couple of squares, and we've got some rectangles. And then we've got one that's even a little bit smaller. So 3 sizes of squares mostly. So the largest square, just to give you an idea, is about 2.5 by 2.5. Then we get to 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. And then the smallest one is just about 1 1/4. And then you've got 2 rectangles. The large rectangle is 2.5 by basically 1 1/4. I'm measuring down on my grid. And so anyway, fun dies. So remember, the first day we had dies. And so I had put my magnetic sheet in here so that I could capture those dies. Let me go ahead and put my postage, I'm going to call them my postage stamps. My postage stamps dies here. So I'm keeping all of my dies together with my stamp set so my bundle is complete. Let me show you the card that we made with day 7. Here we go. Isn't that pretty? So I have taken some cardstock and embossed it. Then I've cut with the dies the Secret C. I've got a label here that I cut with those dies and I embossed it in gold. And then look, I even utilized the label, the gold foiled edged label. I used that, some flowers that I die cut from cardstock that came with the dies on day 1. And then look, I've got the little gold embellishments as well. So fun card and so pretty. If you like this card, I do have a tutorial that includes 12 projects, this one included, for each day of the 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar. Each day gets a card, each day goes into the tutorial. If you purchase the Advent Calendar through me, through my online store, you will receive that tutorial with all 12 projects for free, automatically. If you already have the Advent Calendar, but you like the projects and you'd like the tutorial, you can purchase the tutorial through aprildaviscreations.com shop, go to my PDF store, and you could download it from there. So this is card number 7 for door number 7, and I will see you tomorrow for door number 8.